Hi everybody, my name's Joey, and I'm going to be talking to you guys about FlowGBT and how it could impact the business setting. FlowGBT is a free open source prompt sharing platform that lets teams build, test, and reuse powerful AI prompts for business tasking, and it requires no coding. As you guys will see in my demo, it's really cool because when you first search it up, it shows you a platform with a bunch of different pre-trained models, and there's a million different things you could choose from for business. For example, they have idea generators that the marketing team could use. They have a social media post generator, and they also have an IT support generator, which is what I'm going to be going with today to show you guys how it works. So if you guys have done an internship or you've worked in a big corporation, you understand if you have a problem about technology, you'd submit a ticket and it takes the IT team sometimes up to 20, 30 minutes to get back to you. And with FlowGPT, it's going to provide you with adequate adequate help in 5 to 10 seconds, considering if you're good at prompt engineering or not. So here's my tutorial. When you first search up FlowGPT, you'll be shown this interface right here. If you scroll down, there's a million different chatbots that you can choose from. But I'd simply searched up IT support, and as you can see, some of these are a little bit comedic, but I ended up going with a more serious one called Master of IT Management, and I had asked it, how do I connect my MacBook to a shared printer, which is something that someone may ask in a corporate setting. And instead of waiting 20 to 30 minutes, it gives me a massive amount of information in 5 to 10 seconds. And I think it's a little bit too much information, but after I prompt engineered it 3 different times, it gave me a really useful output. And I'll save you guys the time of watching the rest of this and going on my final deliverables. So as you can see, it gave me information on Windows and for Mac. It gave me 5 steps that are brief and concise, and then it gave me step-by-step pictures from the Apple website and HP website, and then it found a YouTube video just in case someone needed further assistance on the matter. So why should you choose FlowGBT compared to other tools? FlowGBT checks all the boxes. It's open source, it's easy to prompt engineer, it's team friendly, and there's no coding required. There's not much more else to mention other than that. So for risks, hallucinations, and fixes, AI hallucinating facts. Given a company were to adopt this and put in all their information into a closed loop, you wouldn't have to worry about hallucinating facts as long as you had clearly stated what you would needed and the information that you put in the first place wasn't incorrect. For robotic or cold tone, I think that this would be really cool to see and put FlowGPT to the test and see if its different features are actually useful and will make the workplace more efficient. For example, you could choose someone that has a robotic tone for your chatbot, and they'll just give you straight to the point answers. Or you could choose someone that has a little bit more of a humor and will crack jokes, and it'd be really cool to see how the workers adapt to that and what they choose. And for prompt misuse or bias, given that the information that you put into it isn't biased, then you wouldn't have to worry about anything. But it'd be cool to see a little bit of checks and balances on if your information is biased, as you'd be given this information and you have to use it. And I'm sure you notice pretty quick. And that is all that I have for you guys today. Thank you.